if I don't make this video right now, I don't think I'm ever gonna make it. So, hello, my name is Flo Flani, and I am a performing artist. Besides music, I love being outside. I love nature. I also love cars, old school cars. I don't have one myself. I mean, I drive a Toyota 96. It's not, yeah, it's old, but it's not old school, right? But my father has a 504 Peugeot that we've been trying to restore it for ages. I think it has taken like 2 years or something, on and off. And I did some cool footage while at it. Some footage I want to share with you. My brother and I, we don't know much about cars, but love is love. But you can't help but admire our father and how he works on this like a true artist in his work of art.
Yap, mwanake ndukamake ndukorie ugukamake to nginya ati ng'ombe ona faraci na tamaki tutanafikia tamati no nginya tukarumia uthamaki kwina mena ndwanona ati cia gutega thamaki.
To me, these were special moments of a father and his sons spending some quality time together, doing something they all love.
Wakunira madhani, okay, kwaga makiriti, kwaga hakiri, orugari, wathagiri, dothimagwo na ratiri, besha kuma makumino, moke maganaine, noti wagwa waganuine, wetwe jagiri, gotire wakiri, wetwe mokiri, matire nathiri, eka maundu makuhorerete, uka urorete, bere maitho utakonorete, kuma heju uka unorete. Oria washo nego kwira wedare toro kogwete murengeti na godoro. Oria washo nego kwira wedare toro kogwete murengeti na godoro. Mwanake ndukamake maundu magugwakura ndukamake wewe makanika ndukanike kana maya maundu mothe makwanike mbeca niguo itho ciethagwo thogora ni kugwo togwetagwo mwaki toguo tutuotagwo hagira nyungu wira ni gwakia wona gwakia make sure ni wakana na waremwo wetigwe ati wa mbere kana wakana nyumba yaku igwakika wakana kiote guthekana guthakana mweke woka kae gute guthukana gutukana kana guka gwatukana ruta wira tumathina kore no atukana. Oria washo nego kwira wedare toro kogwete murengeti na godoro.
Mzee kusema ni engineer, unamuuliza engineer. Haya, watu wenye miraba minne ndio hawa.
Kinyokiane wa kunyakunyobia, kinyokiane wa kunyakunyobia, kinyokiane wa kunyakunyobia, kinyokiane wa kunyakunyobia. Yeah, na wakunyati cia kugemia moko ta cia makanga ne gwibanga ne gwikaga cia gwitaga cia goitaga ne tamataga moithikiri gucocera wacighetio mothe rucio cokera ne herigeri ti gucokera ukira riu ne kuruga mukira ndigwicira ni guguthukira ndire ndaigwa mundu wina araje ya besha ne shira tumoria wocimenia.
So the engine was loaded on the boot, headed for the shop for an overhaul.
Na maundu ma sukari twara mucie cia sukari. Oria washo nego kwira wedare toro kogwete murengeti na godoro.
After a couple of months, the engine came back and we were working on it tirelessly just to make sure it fits in perfectly, runs again. and we can do like a trip or something. Maybe go hang out with the classic cars.
Now we started seeing whether it will work. Anyway, we know it will, of course. Want to go? Oh, why?
That story has to be on the next video. Unfortunately, we've come to the end of this one. Thank you for watching to this very end. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Share. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your stories of your own build or 504s or any classicals. Yeah, thank you very much. Highly appreciate you being here. All right, see ya.